Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 30 and 31. I am Prahlad among Daityas, time among the reckoners, the lord of beasts, lion among animals, and Vaintya, Garuda, among birds.
Chapter 10, Shloka 30. प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालकलयताम् अहं मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्.
Among purifiers, I am the wind. Among warriors, I am Rama. Among fishes, I am the shark. Among rivers, I am the Ganges.
Chapter 10, Shloka 31. Pavana pavatam asmi Ramashastra-bhritam aham Jashanam makaraschasmi Srotasam asmi Jahnavi.
Chapter 10, Shloka 30 and 31. I am Prahlad among Daityas. In the famous story of Prahlad, he is a boy devotee full of faith and devotion who challenged his father in defense of his own faith in Hari and stood many a trial and persecution from his father. Among reckoners, I am time. Like time is the ultimate measures of all things in the relative field, the self is the infinite substratum supporting the finite multiplicity. Among beasts, I am the lord of beasts, and among birds, I am the son of Vinata. The majesty and grandeur, the dignity and manliness of the lion make him the royal lion. Vinata's son, the white-necked eagle, Garuda, is the vehicle of Hari, the protector. Garuda is the king of birds because of its flight, its powers of perception and the altitudes to which it can fly. Among purifiers, I am the wind. Wind moves when the sun is hot. Where there is constant wind, there the sun must also be available. In a cave, there is neither sunlight nor movement of wind. Sun and wind are the most efficient and the best antiseptic to clean any place. Of those who are the wielders of weapons, I am Rama. Rama was the noblest hand that ever wielded an honest bow to shoot the most effective arrows. He was a perfect man in all aspects of his existence, amidst all seeming imperfections, irritations, and confusing circumstances. Of the fishes, I am the shark, and of the rivers, I am Jahanavi. The shark is the most dangerous fish in the ocean. One of the names of the sacred river Ganges is Jahnavi, which is compared with the stream of knowledge flown out through Jahanu's ears. In this way, the stream of knowledge of the Vedas was heard from the masters and passed down to the disciples. Teachers come from time to time to reinterpret the ancient wisdom in the context of their own age only after having gained their own personal experience in the Vedic truth declarations. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.